Section 3, The Tax Traps. Mistake number 11, forgetting you're the taxman. When a client pays you, that money isn't all yours. It's like they've handed you a whole pizza, but a few of those slices already have the government's name written on them. Forgetting this is why so many freelancers get hit with a terrifying tax bill they can't afford. The fix: open a separate high-yield savings account and literally name it taxes. Every single time a client pays you, immediately move those slices of pizza into the tax box. A good rule of thumb is to set aside 25 to 30%. This money is not yours. Do not touch it. Mistake number 12, not paying quarterly estimated taxes. The IRS doesn't like to wait until next April to get their money. They view your income like a year-long road trip, and they expect you to pay the tolls at 4 checkpoints along the way. If you miss these quarterly payments, they hit you with penalties for being late. The fix: put these 4 dates in your calendar right now: April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th of next year. When the deadline gets close, you just pay the toll right out of that dedicated tax account you've been funding all along. Mistake number 13, missing obvious tax deductions. Every single dollar you can legitimately deduct lowers your tax bill. Missing deductions is like getting a book of coupons for everything you already buy and just throwing it in the trash. You're voluntarily paying more than you have to. The fix: keep obsessive records of every potential business expense. This includes a portion of your rent and utilities for a home office, your health insurance premiums, and any money you put into a retirement account like a SEP IRA or solo 401k. Mistake number 14, trying to do taxes all by yourself. Tax law is complicated. Trying to handle it yourself to save a few $100 is like trying to perform minor surgery on yourself after watching a video online. You might be okay, but you could also cause a massive, expensive problem. The fix: hire a CPA, a certified public accountant, who specializes in working with freelancers. They are the financial surgeons who will almost always save you more money than they cost by finding deductions you never knew existed. That peace of mind is priceless. Mistake number 15, having no emergency fund. As a freelancer, a bumpy income is a guarantee. An emergency fund is the financial fire extinguisher in your home. You hope you never need it, but if a small kitchen fire starts, having it there prevents your whole house from burning down. Without it, normal bumps become full-blown emergencies. The fix: build an emergency fund that can cover at least 3 to 6 months of your essential living expenses. Keep this money in a separate, easy-to-access savings account. This fund is your financial safety net. It's what lets you sleep at night during the slow months. Mistake number 16, ignoring retirement completely. When you're the boss, there's no HR department to handle your retirement. Not saving is like spending your whole life building a beautiful ship but completely forgetting to build a port for it to dock in. If you don't actively fund your own retirement, you will have nothing to live on when you can't work anymore. The fix: open a retirement account like a SEP IRA or a solo 401k. The power of compounding is like a strong tailwind for your ship. It can do most of the work for you, but you have to raise the sails by starting now. Mistake number 17, neglecting your professional development. Thinking of courses or coaching as just an expense is short-sighted. Your skill set is the engine of your freelance business. Professional development is the regular maintenance and upgrades that keep that engine powerful, letting you go further and faster than your competition. The fix: create an opportunity fund in your budget specifically for your own development. Look for tax-deductible training that will directly boost your earning potential. Investing in yourself is always the best investment you can make. Mistake number 18, working in a silo. Freelancing can feel lonely, but trying to figure it all out yourself is like trying to play a symphony on a single violin. When you join a community, you find your orchestra. You connect with people who can offer advice, send referrals, and help you create something bigger and better together. The fix: find your people. Join freelance communities, whether it's a free Facebook group, a Slack channel, or a paid professional organization. The connections you make can help you solve the exact problems you're dealing with right now. Mistake number 19, buying all your equipment brand new. I get it, the urge for the shiniest new laptop is strong. But your tools are like a chef's knives. A master chef knows that a well-maintained, quality-used knife works just as well as a brand new one. The final dish, your work, is what matters, not how new the tools are. The fix: always look for refurbished options from places like Apple's own refurbished store, or look for quality used gear from other pros. Your clients care about the quality of your work, not the manufacturing date of your laptop. Mistake number 20: not having a plan for slow periods. The feast or famine cycle happens because freelancers only think about getting work when they're starving. Marketing is like farming. You can't just plant a seed when you're hungry and expect an immediate harvest. You have to constantly be planting and watering so you're guaranteed a harvest later. The fix: always be marketing. Even when you are completely booked, dedicate a little time each week to planting seeds for future projects. That could be networking or just checking in with past clients. Consistent marketing smooths out that income roller coaster for good. Conclusion. So there you have it, the 20 most common money mistakes that are holding freelancers back. The common theme through all of these fixes is just being intentional. It's about shifting from a chaotic, reactive mindset to a proactive, organized one. You stop being a leaky bucket and start building a financial fortress. You stop drifting in the current and start steering your own ship. You take back control, one smart decision at a time. If this guide gave you at least one thing you can go do today, do me a favor and hit that like button. And make sure you subscribe for more no-nonsense financial strategies made just for freelancers. Now go open that savings account.